thing about Varnum is when we get a client, we rarely lose them. And that, I think, comes back mainly to our incredible service ethic. That is something that I don't see in every firm. Some firms get the work because of their name, because of a high degree of specialty. That's a wonderful way to get work, but the way to hold on to work is to have an incredible service ethic, which means you're always available, you're always getting back to the clients, you'll always do what it takes on every case to make sure they're happy.
Well, everyone I've worked with at Varnum in litigation, I've been here almost 12 years, and before that I did work at 3 other places, so I have comparisons. I think is very efficient, very intelligent, very able to spot the issues and guide the clients through. So as far as my experience with other people, and that's how I try to run my practice, in my specialty areas as well. But everyone really is focused on what's best for the client and how we can best get them through the situation in the way they want and in a way that makes the most sense and is going to get them the best result.
What a trial lawyer needs to do at the very beginning is sit down with the client and find out what they want, what is their goal, and to work with the client to reach that goal. So you could litigate a case and leave no stone unturned and really accomplish nothing and achieve nothing that really meets the client's goals, or you can sit down and find out what the goals are and what the budget is, what makes sense given that that's that issue, the nature of the dispute, and then build the representation with the client's input.
We conduct a good amount of research before anything is even filed, and we come up with an assessment of the case. We try to minimize any roadblocks or surprises down the road, and that really guides us through the entire case, helps our efficiency, but lets us be pretty laser focused in the discovery that we need to conduct and be very mindful of the client's dollar.
I think there are still some lawyers and law firms that want to try and extend and run pieces of litigation out much farther than they deserve to be. And so I think if people know we have the ability to fight, we're capable of the fight, we have the talent, the experience, and the wherewithal to fight, but we also have the ability to look at things in a way to try and resolve them. I mean, typically we're looking at what's the client's best interest, not only for this matter, but really long term.